Pontarola Engineering presents Cupolex, elements for creating aerated floors. Buildings are often subject to infiltrations of humidity, dampness, and radon gas, which is particularly unhealthy for people. Humidity that emits strains from the floor can impregnate the walls, giving rise to mildew, ruining walls, wall coverings, and paint. Radon is a chemical gas found underground that radiates from the ground and normally stagnates in houses and buildings. Radon is a radioactive gas found all over the world. It is colorless, odorless, and tasteless, but dangerously carcinogenic. The risk of radioactive contamination is prevented, and at the same time, a building without humidity or dampness is obtained by conveying these outside of the buildings. Cupolex of Pontarola Engineering is the solution for these problems. Cupolex are preformed elements made of completely recyclable, regenerated polypropylene plastic. The special dome shape and appropriate connection joints of Cupolex form an aerated floor that can insulate any type of building from humidity, dampness, and radon gas. Cupolex are extremely simple to install and do not require specialized personnel. Cupolex are easy to handle and quick to install. An arrow marked on each element enables the installer to position the units in the exact place from left to right and top to bottom of the area to be covered. Two non-specialized workers can install up to 150 square meters per hour. The special form of Cupolex creates areas with very high load-bearing capacity, suitable for industrial buildings and workshops. The cone guarantees the firmness of the structure under the concrete, preventing the formation of cracks during the finishings of the surface. Cupolex, with its underlying air chamber, permits aeration in all directions, conveying humidity and gas outside the building. The air chamber is empty and capable of inspection, which enables cables, piping, and tubes of various sizes to be installed under the Cupolex, making the installation quick and easy. Cupolex and its accessories are the ideal solution for any type of construction and are easily adaptable to every type of plan. Often columns and corners cause problems. Laying Cupolex in these situations requires measuring and cutting to adapt to the particular obstacle. These operations are hard and involve a great waste of time. The solution, Bed and Stop. Bed and Stop is an element of the Cupolex aerated flooring system created especially for the closing of the open side of the Cupolex unit. Laying is simple and fast. Thanks to Bed and Stop's special corrugated extendable shape, it adapts to the floor easily and precisely to all project sizes. During the placement of concrete, the solidity of Bed and Stop prevents infiltrations and wastage of concrete, which would normally occur with other closing systems. Using Bed and Stop makes cutting to size unnecessary, resulting in time savings during the installation and casting procedures. Tube passage is not a problem. Appropriate pre-cut holes on each element makes placement of the tubes quick and easy. These pre-cut holes are also necessary for draining the humidity and radon gas outside the building. Cupolex and Bed and Stop are available in various shapes and heights to meet all construction requirements. Cupolex Windy, a new Pontarolo product, can solve particular humidity problems on existing floors, guaranteeing excellent insulation and at the same time facilitating cable, pipe, and tube installations. Pontex is a regenerated polypropylene plastic element that can be easily attached to Cupolex, creating a self-bearing floor on ground with load-bearing problems. With Pontex, it is possible to create grade beams inserted between the Cupolex and placed on the side foundations to obtain a suspended slab with adequate load-bearing capacity. Technicians and qualified personnel at Pontarolo Engineering are at your complete disposal to give any type of consultation and assistance during the design stage, from calculating quantities to positioning elements in any type of plan. Pontarolo Engineering can supply free of charge technical documentation and software to enable one to calculate and place on plan view Cupolex, bent and stop, and Pontex products, permitting an exact and quick plan of the quantity and placement of the elements needed for each project. Cupolex, the intelligent aerated flooring system, is a product of Pontarolo Engineering.